Hi, welcome to Sonny's, the Car Wash Factory. I'm Bob Fox with Car Wash College. Today I want to review how to set the torque setting on your Sonny's hydraulic power pack. Before we start, make sure to get a copy of the owner's manual, which you can download at sonnysdirect.com. Review all the safety information related to this procedure. Next, gather the tools and supplies you'll need, which are safety glasses, combo wrenches, a small adjustable wrench, standard Allen wrench, JIC plugs, and a JIC cap. Now, let's get started. All right, let's talk about how to adjust torque. Let's say if we were adjusting torque on our conveyor power pack. We have to be able to move several vehicles through the conveyor at the same rate of speed without losing any speed, so the computer will turn all the functions on properly. So Vic, if we need to increase the torque on our power pack for our conveyor, what's the first step?
All right, the first step that we have to do is we have to go to the motor control center and cut the power to this unit.
Okay.
Okay, once we don't have power to the unit, we're gonna remove the feed line. This is the feed line, the black line. We're gonna put a plug on it and we're gonna put a cap on the JIC fitting.
Okay.
After we've done that, we're gonna have to remove this cap. Underneath this cap, we have the torque ball, as you can see it, okay? Then we're gonna open this valve all the way to 10, and we're gonna close the other two valves all the way to 0.
Okay.
That way, we're only gonna control the torque and adjust the torque on the first flow control valve. After all this, we're going back and we give power back to the unit, right? So at that point, the gauge is gonna show you what is the real torque that we have at that moment.
Okay.
Let's say this is the flow control valve that we are using to control the conveyor, okay? The torque that we're looking for is between 800 to 1200 PSI. We always recommend to set it to 1200 PSI, even though you don't use it, but you know it's there by the time that you will need the torque, okay? So once you have the power right here, and you see you got, let's say we have a 800 PSI right here, we're gonna use the Allen wrench, and we're gonna turn this screw, but we're gonna do it a quarter turn increment at the time. So we just do 1/4 and wait. You will see the needle start going up, okay? Once we reach the 1200 PSI, which is what we're looking for, we set the torque, okay? So at that point, we're gonna put our hoses back. Actually, we're going back to the MCC, we cut the power, we put everything back where it was before, and that's it. We already set to 1200 PSI, our first flow control valve.
And then we're good to go.
Yes, sir.
And there you have it. In order to adjust your torque on your conveyor power pack, remove the hose, plug it, open the flow control valve, turn it all the way to 10, turn your other flow control valves down to 0, get the pressure reading where it needs to be, return the power to it, and you're back up and washing cars. Keeping up with this and all preventative maintenance at the car wash helps eliminate unscheduled downtime and ensures you're delivering a consistent wash experience that'll make raving fans of your customers. Thanks for watching. For more frequently asked car wash maintenance questions, visit us at sonnysdirect.com/FAQ. I hope to see you in the Car Wash College classroom real soon. And as always, good luck and good washing.